G'day guys, and welcome back to AdosTheGreat Gaming. So for today's video, we're going to be opening the Pokemon Champions Path trading card packs. So these ones have some pretty rare cards in them, so let's hope we get some of those cards today. So let's go straight into the middle one, and we'll see what we can get in this pack. Alright. There's the code for you guys if anybody's interested. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Alright, to start with, we have Electric Energy, Carbu, Victini, Pokemon Center Lady, Machop, Swablu, Nickit, Kakuna, Ekans, a reverse holo, and the final card, I'll show you guys first. Sweet, so that one's a holo Galarian Obstagoon. I'll chuck the price up when I edit this video. Alright, that's the first one. We've got 2 more packs to open, but let's get that one straight into a case. Alright, there we go. And then the Ultra Protection. Sweet. 1 pack down, 2 to go. Let's see guys. Not a bad start to the video. Code if anybody wants it. 3, 4. All right, and we have another Electric Energy, Sharpedo, Lipard, Rotom Phone, Hatena, Swablu, Ekans, Machop, Nickit. We've got a pretty cool holo energy card, and finally, oh, that one's cool. So that's a Dreadnought V. Hopefully, because it's a full art card, hopefully we get something alright for that one. So we'll drop this one straight into a sleeve. Be as gentle as I can. Once again, the spacing on it's not too bad, so that's a positive. So we'll drop that one into another protective sleeve. There we go. Let's hope we do well with this pack then. Alright, the last pack. Straight into it. The code if anybody's interested. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Then we have a Fire Energy, Kaboo, Machoke, Victini, Scraggy, Full Heal, Rockruff, Galarian Zigzagoon, Weedle, reverse holo Marnie, and I'm not looking. You guys let me know what this card is in the comments below before I check it. Close my eyes, turn it around, and we have a Graplocked V. So once again, I don't think these ones are going to be worth all that much, but yeah, I'll as always I will let you know in the edit how much these cards are worth. So there's that one again. Alright, so that was that one, guys. It's the Champions Path one, nothing too crazy. They do have the pretty rare Charizard card in that set, so we didn't crack that one today, but that's all good. Hopefully in the next one I will have better luck with the cards. So we should have another the Galarian Farfetch Surfetch that I got the other day. So we should have another one of those box sets coming. So hopefully we get something good out of that. Alright guys, thank you all so much for your support of the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.